Hello, public speakers. Instructions for week 8. We are fully online this week. Please read chapter 19. Chapter 19 is all about speaking online and doing it successfully. Please read chapter 19 of the text. Additionally, I have recorded a chapter talk. It's approximately 10 minutes. Please watch the chapter talk that I have embedded in coursework and take the corresponding quiz. When you open this link, you will have both the chapter talk there as well as the quiz. Additionally, there are 2 additional things I need from you. First is an exercise application, evaluate an online speaker. When you open up this document, you will see instructions right here in the file, and it's going to populate what you need to do. You are going to be tasked to view a TED Talk online. Select a topic that interests you. As you watch the speech, answer the questions below. Please respond to each question with a minimum of 1 paragraph. It's okay to write more, but make sure you have a minimum of 1 paragraph for each question, and be sure to use correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation to earn full credit. And then you will simply upload this document in coursework. Okay, let's bounce back to what else we need to do. Last thing on the list, you have a forum discussion this week where you will be tasked to practice speaking online. Okay, so let's take a peek here. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to record a short video using a webcam and post the link to the discussion forum. There's no time limit required. Just be sure to answer the following questions. Share a time where you listened to an online speech and experienced interference. What specifically was the interference you experienced? What could the speaker have done to improve their speech in the online environment? Now, here's what you do. You will use this recording software, Screencast-O-Matic. When you click on this link, as you can see here, you are going to have to set up an account. You will launch the free recorder, and it will simply require an email and a password. Feel free to use your Southeast Tech password. You will hit launch free recorder, and when you do, a screen will populate. Now, I already have a recorder running here, but you simply click screen if you just wanted to record the screen. Webcam, this is what I'm asking you to use, so it's just you in the shot. And then the other option is both, where you see like the chapter talk, a small video of you over a PowerPoint. For this assignment, please use the webcam only, okay? So let's go back into our forum, if I can pull it up there. So you will use Screencast-O-Matic. When you are done recording, you can simply click save and upload, and it will populate a link to post into the forum, or you can save and upload it to YouTube. Just make sure you have a link to post directly into the forum. Please also note you have 2 replies. Comment on similarities or differences, and then the second reply is to ask a question in response to the video. Please make sure that is meaningful. Note, you do not need to respond via video. Just your post will be done in video, and your 2 replies can be done in written form. Okay, so that is your task for week 8. Again, we are entirely online this week. Go into coursework and you will see everything you need. Thank you.